it's me, I'm Paula Cerebral. So today guys, please subscribe to my channel. So today guys, I'm gonna show you what is my gift. So guys, my gift is this cinnamon from Gwen. Next, this one from, but it's from, Alexa. It's from Alexa. And this chocolate is from Marga, my classmates. I don't know what else. This one is from Zion's Suniko. This is my cousin. And we just bought this. Guys, don't buy this because we just bought it. Don't buy that. So guys, I'm wearing a hat. Yes, I don't know. But Mama, can I take off the hat now?
Yeah.
Okay. Those I'm feeling hot. Because I'm feeling hot. What? So guys, let's card my dad from doing this.
Oh, help me.
Bro. My stars, my dad's star. How about my dog? MM. 1, 2, 3.
Paulto na.
Okay guys. Let's wait.
Oli, tapos sa akin na din, ganyan, si Jen, AI lotion, meron din kami nito. Ay, nung pa pala napansin ko, grabe yung allergy ko ngayon, astig ko, pink ko, ako nag-hide. So, ayaw, sige, meron na naman pa. Pero pag ganun lang. Pero pag kumakain ako ng kahit konting seafood, nag-hide sa akin malala dito, yung ganito, meron naman kayong pregnancy hives ko tawag dito. Para siyang mga kagat na kulamok na malalaki. Tapos nawawala din ang pusa. Gumagrabe siya kapag
Sinasend mo mo kita ganun. Ba! Your phone! Stop your phone!
Maya-maya niyan meron na, kumakalat na. Tapos mawawala din naman kinabukasan. Tapos mga 2 days, 3 days na ako kakain ng seafood. Wala, hindi ako nagkakaroon ng hives.
So, yeah. Don't embarrass it. So guys, that's for today. Bye. Bye guys.